Hi, everyone. My name is Lap Siu, and the golf cart driver here is Kapak Don. We are both from Vietnam originally, and we are Montagnards. We belong to an indigenous group known as Jarai. This week, I came here to visit him in the state of North Carolina. As you can see, it doesn't look like Texas at all. There are a lot of trees. I just want to tell you a little bit about Don Kapak. Just like me, he came to the United States as a refugee. Oh, by the way, he's also a fellow YouTuber as well. So he was born and raised in the Central Highlands of Vietnam. And back in 2000, 2001, there was a big demonstrations in the Central Highlands where he was one of the people that staged the demonstrations. Because of that, the Montagnards were cracked down by the Vietnamese or police. So as a result, he had to flee his village. He had to leave the Central Highlands in Vietnam. Yeah, he and along with more than 1,000 Montagnards fled to Cambodia, and then he stayed in a refugee camp. So he lived in Ratanakari, and also to Phnom Penh, and eventually he came to the United States, January 2003 as a refugee. Wow. So beautiful.
Look, 24 years now.
Oh, yeah.
24 years.
It's a long time.
I haven't got chance card more na Glen Moore play.
Oh, okay.
Card more prak. Mình được prak. Nạ ta làm rạ đến lo cho nạ.
Oh,
Mình được prak like Glen Moore. I wish I can go back one day visit.
Oh, yeah. By the way, at the refugee camp in Ratanakari, they live in this kind of like grass houses or hut. It was built by Cambodian and UNHCR, which is United Nations High Commissioners for Refugees. And there were Americans that helped him and other Montagnards. Some of those Americans were like Carl Reagan, Gene Reagan, Sarah Colm. Yeah, there was a guy named John that helped him at the refugee camp. Life in the refugee camp was quite difficult because most refugees had nothing. And they were also afraid that the Vietnamese police may arrest them and force them to go back to Vietnam.
That's true.
Yeah. Because of that, they had Cambodian security police to kind of protect them from being kidnapped or forced to go back to Vietnam. At the camp, there was not much food, so a lot of people could get pretty hungry. So anyway, he came to the United States in 2003 in January. That's when the first time I met him at this apartment complex known as Palm Court. And since they didn't speak English, they didn't understand the culture, they didn't have cars, they didn't have money and clothing, jobs, and so on, they were relying on American Christians and the Montagnards who came here before them, as well as organizations such as Lutheran Family Services to help them with different needs. And those people helped them with cultural orientation. They taught them how to speak English, taught them how to study for learner's permits, taught them how to drive, also helped them to understand American systems like culture, money, and everything else, because everything to Don Kapak and others were new. So they had to learn practically everything. But Don, just like other Montagnards, they had very hard-working ethic. So they were always eager to learn English, to learn how to drive. They also wanted to have jobs. So as a result, he worked hard. So he learned.
Yeah, after 2003, I did my petition for my family.
Yes.
My son and my wife.
Okay.
So I left my son almost 6 years.
Oh, okay.
He was born 2 weeks and I left.
Oh, wow.
I never seen him until when he come here 2006.
2006.
So he turned 6 years old. 2006.
Finally, he got different jobs. He got a car. He learned how to speak English. Now his English is really good.
I will try my best.
And he also has a very beautiful house, car.
And now I have 3 kids now.
Yeah.
2 sons and 1 daughter. So I have 3.
Yes.
3 sons.
That's right. So anyway, I came here to visit him yesterday, and I'm really enjoy spending time with him, just learning about his life story. And of course, I enjoy this area, this neighborhood as well. It's just really beautiful. A lot of trees. Let's see if you can see in front of us.
Today, 2 days ago, it's kind of cold here now. So that's why you see I wear jacket here.
Yeah. This is Jarai traditional outfit, by the way.
Hello, good morning. Good. 2006, my family, my son and my wife, finally they get to in America. So I, before I lived in Raleigh.
Okay.
I lived in Raleigh, then somehow I live here now 5 years ago.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know, I just life. I just live with the wood, look like back home. When we lived in Vietnam, I saw a lot of mountain, a lot of tree, and look like home now. So
Yeah.
definitely I miss back home, but I don't have money to visit yet. Maybe one day, who knows? Maybe one
That's
day.
true. Yeah.
I hope I can save money and can go back visit.
I'm so proud of him and his family. They work hard. Now they have a pretty nice house in a really good neighborhood. They have cars and their children go to school. By the way, his son is a really good soccer player.
Yeah, yesterday.
Yesterday, I went to watch his soccer game and his team was really good. And I'm sure my friend here is so proud of his son and his other kids. They're doing well in school, in sports. That's simply because he and the rest of the family, they work hard to fulfill American dreams. So
anyway, me and him the same date of birth, but different months. But I'm older, so
just a few months.
So he's young brother.
Yeah.
He's smart, but I'm brother, so I'm still in charge of him.
Yeah, he's a few months older than me, so I call him older brother. In Jarai is Ayang.
That's right.
Yes,
That's right.
and he calls me Adoy, or younger brother.
I'm happy he came from all the way from Texas, like far away.
Yeah.
And he spent time. My son played soccer yesterday, and finally my son he scored 2 goals yesterday.
Yeah,
but
2 goals.
His team is total score is 7.
Wow.
So,
yeah, they won this game 7-0, so that was a very big win.
So next week they're gonna play a tournament.
Okay.
Next week.
Oh, wow. This is kind of like a random video, but we hope you enjoy watching this video. Don is just like me. He's very grateful for the United States, and he's grateful for Americans, especially those who helped him since he came to the United States. And he's also grateful for Montagnards, especially Jarai interpreters that interpreted for him when he didn't speak English back then. We're also grateful to God who gave us life, who provide for us for everything, for his grace, for saving us from our sins, and also for supporting us in so many different ways. Although we are not rich in America, but overall we're doing very well. Don and I, because we have houses, cars, and we have wives and children, and overall we're doing really well. So we encourage young people, or if you're Montagnard,
American,
anyone, right?
anyone, everybody.
Right. To have hope and to believe in your future and to work hard and don't stop learning.
Exactly.
The best thing you can do in life is to keep learning, whether it's English, culture, languages, business, just anything.
And only I encourage all people, young generation, I say stay away from betting, don't do drugs.
Illegal activities,
Right.
Anything that is harmful to you physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually.
Right.
Anything that is not good, try to avoid those
Right.
things. Try to avoid hanging out with people that don't have good influence.
That's true, because I think it's if I can do it, you can do it too.
Yes, that's right.
I'm not saying about like make big money. If you can make better life, I did make better life,
Yeah.
but I'm not. Don't assume like I'm rich. No, I'm not rich. I work every day. That is my goal, and I'm so happy now. So my kid got place stay, got job. At the daytime, my kid go to school. Hi, Miriam. Good, we good. This neighborhood here, I mean, very friendly. You don't have to scare nothing, and they're really friendly.
Really nice.
So they know me and like the same like you really,
Yeah.
And this guy how I can come to his home. And, like the same like family.
Yeah.
Mostly. And I wish everybody back home or in America, God will bless you and God will be with you. God will protect you.
Yes.
That's all I wish.
We're not trying to brag about our success or life in America, but we just want to share a little bit of our own life stories, hoping that it may inspire you to have hope, to work hard, to do your best in all things.
Stop here. Just say hi to
Okay.
friend of mine. That's it.
Okay. All right. This is Terry, Don Kapak's neighbor. I just met him a few minutes ago. Tell me a little bit, how did you guys meet each other?
I don't remember. 2000. So you chop wood in my home.
Chopping firewood?
Yeah.
Was that
Some
it?
tree
Oh,
went
that's right.
down.
Yeah, some trees went down. And,
Okay.
I chopped them up, and we've been cutting trees to clear your garden.
Yeah.
And
He hard work.
I used to, but I got a heart attack, so I haven't. I want to sell my truck because I can't deliver wood. I used to. I had like 50 cords of wood that I delivered, and people bought. But some people burn wood. And,
So your wife make very good garden too.
I'm curious, what do you think of this guy overall? Is he a good guy or what?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, it's great. It's great. Yeah,
He's a good addition to the neighborhood.
Okay, nice.
His children play up and down the street. Yeah, you got friends to play with up there.
Really nice.
Yeah, if they ever wanted some bicycles, I bought some bicycles from Walmart years ago. But the kids today, they want electric bikes. So they don't want to pedal their own.
Oh, yeah. They need
what I've got
exercise. Thank you guys for watching. All right. Bye-bye now.
Sure.